That is the tradition. That is the tradition.
Abrupt end to Parliament as government members walk out during opposition leaders' presentation. Low and desperate. Government says opposition leaders' comment was inappropriate. And a family of man killed under questionable circumstances poke holes in police's version of events.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, so the government plans to spend roughly $1.3 trillion for the next fiscal year. We heard about how the budget will be funded, but how much is coming from tax revenues in particular? We have the breakdown later in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. And coming up later in sports, we have all the action from day one of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships.
And we're looking forward to that. And I'm curious, Romain, what is the weather going to look like for the remainder of the week?
Now, I did hear some reports that there were showers across sections of the corporate area this afternoon, including the National Stadium. And we are expecting a few more showers tomorrow. But after tomorrow, as we move into Thursday and Friday, we're expecting drier conditions across most of the area.
All right, thanks, Romain. Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what's your reaction to the walkout by government members during the opposition leader's budget presentation?
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.